Welcome back to Inquisitive Kids. In this video, we will be talking about the least common multiple. The least common multiple means exactly what it says. It is the smallest common multiple of two or more numbers. Let's go ahead and look at an example. What is the least common multiple of 4 and 8? Another way to show this is LCM in parentheses 4 and 8 equals what? Well, 8 is already a multiple of 4, and 8 is also a multiple of itself. The least common multiple of 4 and 8 is 8. Let us see another example. What is the least common multiple of 18 and 12? Well, there are two ways we can approach this. Let's use the prime factorization method. First, let's take the prime factorization of 18. 18 can be divided by 2 and 9. 2 is prime. 9 can be divided by 3 and 3. We can write 18 equal to 2 times 3 times 3. Now let's take the prime factorization of 12. 12 can be divided by 2 and 6. 2 is prime. 6 can be divided into 2 and 3. We can write 12 equal to 2 times 2 times 3. So the least common multiple of 18 and 12 has to have enough numbers to cover both 18 and 12. Only enough, because we want the least common multiple. Then the least common multiple of 18 and 12 has to have 1 2 and 2 3s to cover 18, and 2 2s and 1 3 to cover 12. So this is 18. Now let's look at 12. 12 needs to have 2 times 2 times 3. 12 needs to have a 1 3, and we already have 1 3. It needs 2 2s. We only have 1 2, which means that we only have to multiply 1 more 2 to get the least common multiple of 18 and 12. This part is 18, and this part is 12. If you multiply this together, you're going to get 36. The LCM of 18 and 12 is 36. Let's move on to the next example. What is the least common multiple of 4 and 9? For this problem, let's list out all multiples of 4 and 9. First, the multiples of 4. So multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, and 36. Multiples of 9. So multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, and 81. Can you find any common multiples of 4 and 9? Well, I only see one common multiple. It is 36. One common multiple of 4 and 9 in here, which means that the least common multiple of 4 and 9 is 36. Let's go to the next example. What is the least common multiple of 6 and 15? Let's use the prime factorization to do this. 6 can be divided into 2 and 3. 15 can be divided into 3 and 5. The prime factorization of 6 is 2 times 3. 15 also has a 3, which means that we only have to multiply one more 5. 2 times 3 times 5 equals 30. The LCM of 6 and 15 is 30. Let's move on to the next example. What is the least common multiple of 15, 33, and 66? Let's use the prime factorization to do this. 15 can be divided into 3 and 5. 32 can be divided into 4 and 8. 4 and 8 are not prime numbers, which means that 8 can be divided into 2 and 4. 4 can be divided into 2 and 2. And this 4 can be also divided into 2 and 2. The prime factorization of 66 is 11 and 6. 6 can be divided into 2 and 3. So 32 is equal to 2 to the power of 5. And 15 is equal to 3 times 5. 66 is equal to 11 times 2 times 3. We know that 32, 5 twos. Need to have 1 11, 1 2, and 1 3. We already have 5 twos, which means that for 66, we only need to multiply in 3 and 11. 15 needs to have 3 times 5. We already have a 3, which means that we only have to multiply one more 5. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 11 times 5. 5,200 280. So the LCM of 15, 32, and 66 is 5,280. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and tell us what you think in the comments below. This is 3 Inquisitive Kids, and we will catch you on the next video.